I pleaded and pleaded. This thing, this issue, let it not get started, people. Let's mind the way, but it's as if you guys want it to get started. So, ó ti get started náà nìyẹn. So, still on our Rude Boy, the popular artist Paul Okoye, Rude Boy, and his wife saga, marital issue, Anita Okoye. Okay, so let me first of all set this straight and introduce myself a little bit. As you are seeing me, I'm also a divorcee. My marriage has been separated for 12 years and it survived with one issue. For you to know that, do you understand? I know what I'm saying. I have experience. Okay, that does not mean you should buy my idea. That does not mean you should respect me. Then let me start in the aspect of in the area of courtship before marriage. Because before anything, when you people you want to do your sentimental shit, you don't allow us to rest. You continue hammering. The relationship, they have been together for 10 years. This blah 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 blah. Look. So but they didn't give us the full gist about that 10 years, how it went. Do you understand? But me, my longest relationship I have in my life before I met the father I got married to, the courtship lasted, we are not up to 7 years, going to 7 years. And I simply back out when I saw that the relationship was heading nowhere. Because after my OND, I sat this guy down. Please, what are we? Do you understand? We should be mindful of serious relationship. He did not object. You know how men can be. He didn't object because he will be like, this girl that has been with me for several years, but it's not serious. Later, I saw in attitude that it wasn't serious. So their own 10 years of courtship, Anita Okoye, we didn't know what the journey was really about. Okay? And there is this word that people used to use for Paul Okoye in this. Please, sorry about the noise. It's my neighbor. The Islam something. They are doing their inauguration Islam or downstairs and all that. So, they are using one word for Rude Okoye. He's using his bola from anything in skirt. That is what I keep hearing from every platform. He's using his bola from he will chase anything in skirts. So whenever couple is in the presence of God before the altar, they will swear that it should be for better, for worse. But that for better, for worse, to most ladies, it is both of them they are talking to. You don't know you are swearing oath before God for better, for worse. It's not by fire you should stay there for better, for worse. Mean, when I can no longer condone my ex-husband, I did not raise cause for Allah. Peacefully, I told him, please, as you are moving to your next family house again, second time, just please let my own things be left aside. Move. I'm fed up of this relationship. I don't love the way you reason. Like what they exclaimed that Anita too was saying that it's because of this and that. If somebody is tired, they shouldn't be caught for alarm to the extent that people that we are third party, you now come on here excluding me and start defaming the innocent Rude Okoye. That is people, and go and check most of these people that are defaming, that are peeping nose. Is using. I'm not disputing it all. He's using his bola because that's bola wey they use for every woman, anything in skirt. That is what you have never had before, abi. Okay, let's judge now. You want it to get started, and I don't mind coming every day to come and analyze step by step. Somebody using Igbola for everything in skirt, but did not use that Igbola for Cynthia Morgan, their artist that they signed in the year back. This artist, was she not Cynthia Morgan? He did not use the Igbola for people's wife. Okay, in another person's wife that slept with somebody else. Go and read your Bible very well. And somebody that was using his bola for anything in skirt, but excluding people's wife. Excluding people's wife. Because I don't know how you people, I don't know how you used to reason stupidly. If you want to make somebody feel guilty or you hate somebody before, no matter what we might have heard about them, we should try and make their marriage work. Then our Anita Okoye, me, I'm not sorry to say, from this latest gist I had today again, I just heard that you are a graduate of them, your first degree was in law. Hey, that is, you are a lawyer. Second degree, you had it, your master's degree in oil and gas, and yet you are also a business entrepreneur in kids clothing lines and all that. Please, how come you are so less busy? Even when you, in fact, I'm highly disappointed. Even if your marriage is facing challenges, these things are enough for you to keep you busy. This is enough for you to even keep you busy. But lie, because I don't know anything. I will keep that. Now all una bloggers, they sell all. I know that you are illiterate. I know very well that you are illiterate, but I never knew your discipline. And your second degree, you even had it in abroad. Do you understand? So, do you understand? List is expected from somebody like you, Walai Lazim. I expect you to act like one. If you people are filing divorce, how did it leak out? How did it leak out? King Rudy is domestic violence. Sherry, there are rules to everything in life. There are solutions to that big empire where that house where una get. Wallahi, if I were you, I don't even need to relocate to the US. I might go to the US for like 2 weeks and come back. That big house. If I don't notice, say a man be one kind. I also experienced some such thing in my marriage. We are even living in 2-bedroom flat. The way I neglected this man. In fact, he said no, because he didn't believe it. The way my ex-husband too beat me. I'm not, do you understand? I'm telling you that it is wisdom that can help a lady. Even if you are tired of marriage, there is what to do. There's no big deal. But the way people are dragging this matter, we all know our great actor, RMD. He chased do you understand? He have history. Even the greatest history whatsoever in chasing anything in skirts. And we all know his wife, Jumobi. That's their relationship, because they were living lovers for many years before they got married. You know, Adready was so hot, more than any Nollywood star now in those times. He too, as handsome as he is, he chased anything in skirts. And we had like three occasions or more than that Jumobi, annoyingly pack out of the house. But within 2 weeks or anything, they would have settled, she would have come back and all that. We didn't hear the domestic violence too, but he chased more than. In fact, King Rudy, your husband, is still a learner. Look, if you like, say anything in your heart, insult me, but me, I'm telling you the truth. All these useless people on social media where you think say they are person, if you allow them, look, me I know, even if, and yes, one thing I want to mention, when people are complaining about relationship, people with minimum 3 children, no matter how you complain about your husband, me I know they believe you, because I go the reason and say wetin your eyes dey look, first child, second child, third child, not to talk of me wey be say na only one pikin. Hey, so do you understand? I have a lot of friends, even like you, who have the same issue. When they are trying to nail their husband before me, all the rest of our friends will be helping them to blame their husband, to even be teaching her bad things the more against me. I don't instigate such. I just keep quiet and look, because what were you, 3 children? You are telling me now it's after 3 children that your eyes are open? No, me, I believe that women like that, they should be suspicious. I hate women like that. My dear, I have so many friends like you. I see them to be so selfish, to be so self-centered. First pikin, you no get complaint. Second pikin, you no get. Third pikin, even some of them who have 5, they will now be looking for somebody who will tell them that leave that kind of husband. And of course, they always have idiot people, idiot friends that will enable them that if I were you, I will pack my things. It's up to you. The ball is in your court. But what I'm saying is that what you are causing on the social media, we honestly, I'm not insulting, we are not interested. But my own King Rudy, me, I will not watch anybody dragging. Every lady should be full of wisdom in their home. Don't just go to that home and be doing and be looking up to Chioma or looking up to Regina Daniels. Because that is the role model. Those fools are the role models of many stupid ladies here and there. If you are in a home, you don't have wisdom to manage that home. Please, they should not. Nobody should. I will keep saying it. No, there was a day. I listened to King Rudy a lot when he's talking, but he doesn't know. There was a day he was talking on his platform with his colleague, friend Zuru, that hey. This legacy that they said we should be laying a standard for the children coming, for the younger ones. He doesn't understand. You as a virtuous woman, you are the one that need to be educating him about. When I got the father of my child, Wallahi Lazim, it was when he met me that Comrade became a Sunday school teacher. He did not see himself as an assistant pastor. It was when he met me. Because when the Redeemed Church we attended, they saw how spiritually versatile I was. And they begin to give him topics that if your woman can be communicating in the church spiritually like this, when there is an issue, do you understand? There was a time they throw a question like that what is the full meaning of church? Church have full meaning. I took the microphone, I contributed, many things going on. So this woman and my husband will use this woman's husband will be useful. So they will give him topic that, sir, Comrade, you are the one treating next week Sunday school, sir. He will come on to me and start asking me what are the Bible verses that back this topic up. We open the Bible, we do I'm not saying we are superb. At the end, the marriage didn't last because he had a skeleton in wardrobe. Do you understand? I don't know about you, it's up to you guys. But I'm telling you that these our men, at times, it is when I am separated that a lot of things clear to me. These our men, they don't understand some things. It takes a virtuous lady in that home. House is big and big like that. You relocated to, you cannot furnish another zone in that compound with yourself and stay there and be praying. A prayerless woman is a powerless woman. No, I won't lie to you. Even me, when my marriage elapsed, as in when it's finished, that is when I understand some things, my dear. It's up to you. But me, nobody will drag King Rudy. Nobody will drag him. You know, when he was talking to his friend, I'm surprised. He was amazed that, do we have to lay any legacy for the younger ones? All these things he do not know. That is one of the reasons of a virtuous lady. You are. Huh? Your oil and gas. Me, I've not seen the uses of your oil and gas. Your discipline. Do you understand? Even if you cannot let man know some things, but you should be a busy lady. You'll be so busy that beyond any challenges in the marriage, you don't have the time. You are so tired. You don't have the time to even notice that. Hey, me, I will not say more than this. That is just what because people are all over the social media be putting the blame on. If you go, my sister, shoulder go, shoulder come, Barra still remain the same. If it will go, shoulder go, it depends. Do you understand? I'm not I will always come and say my mind. Virtuous woman who can find. Even me, my marriage has enlarged before I discover a lot of things. Not to be using useless people despite all your discipline. To be using useless girls as a role model. You are a married woman. You think all other marriages is about licking honey. When everything becomes so rosy like that, that is not already marriage. The Bible has said this. Husband and wife will face a lot. And God will go. Please continue to subscribe and share. Do you understand? This truth, I think we have to say it. Me, I will be coming. Nobody can. Do you understand? Nobody can. Not because it's just my crush. I will say matters the way it is. Ladies, negligence is too much. Negligence is rampant at times.